crafters, Lisa here with Fun Stuff Crafts. So glad you could join me again today for another Inspiration Friday project. But before we get to the project, I just want to talk to you about a new Facebook group that I started that is all about us sharing our projects and helping each other. And so I really hope you guys take a minute, go out to Fun Stuff Crafts Facebook, and there is a link there for the group. It is Crafts and Inspiration hosted by Fun Stuff Crafts. In fact, you know what? I'll put a link down below this video. The more of us that can join, that we can share ideas and help each other and just create lots of inspiration out there. So I really hope you guys join. Also, if you're just stopping by my channel for the first time, make sure you click on the link below and subscribe. And if you click on the bell, YouTube will alert you each time I upload a new video. So what is today's Inspiration Friday project? Well, you know what? Every year it seems like in February or March, here in the Pacific Northwest, we get an absolutely beautiful week and everybody gets spring fever. And so that happened a couple weeks ago, and I was out walking around our property and I noticed that my mailbox was looking really sad. And so I decided it was a great time to give it a fresh coat of paint and go out into Design Space and design a new decal to put on my mailbox. So I'm going to take you through a really quick step-by-step tutorial on how I did that. So give me a second, I'll get my camera angle changed and we will get making. So before we start on the project, I thought I'd give you a shot of what my mailbox looks like. Now, this one here is not my actual box, but this is what it did look like. I did remove all of my old decals, and you can see I have a lot of rust on my mailbox. So the next thing I did is I taped off my mailbox and I applied a coat of paint to it. I also applied a coat of clear coat after the first coat had dried. This really helped when I adhered my decal. The next thing I did is I went into Design Space and I designed this great decal to put onto my mailbox. And of course, when it came time to weed, I used my favorite weeding tool. Here is the finished design right before I put it on the transfer paper. Now I do want to caution you that the transfer paper that I used was contact paper. I tried using my normal transfer paper and it pulled the paint off of my freshly painted mailbox. So here's a picture of the transfer tape that I used, which is actually just clear contact paper. I would also tell you that as I was applying my decal, I had to go very slow to make sure that it was not still pulling up the fresh paint. And here's what our finished product looks like. A freshly coated mailbox with a brand new decal on it. And guess what? There's an extra little surprise right inside the door. Why not add a decal thanking your mail carrier? So here is our quick and easy Inspiration Friday project today. What do you think? So glad that you guys joined me today for another Inspiration Friday. Don't forget to check out my blog for other Inspiration Friday projects. And remember, we created the new Facebook page, Crafts and Inspiration, hosted by Fun Stuff Crafts. Can't wait to see you guys all join that. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.